Welcome back to chapter 12. This chapter is based on supporting systems, skeletal systems, etc. So, and credit goes to the authors of these materials, Jam Remix. You could get the book in a bookshop if you would like. Use the figure below to answer question 29 to 30. Actually, it's 30 to 31. The part label II3, the part label 3 is called what? 3. This is called the synovial fluid here. 31. The function of the part label 1 is to 31 is to hold the joint in place. Option D. 32. Which of the following is the correct order of vertebra along the spinal column? Don't forget atlas first before axis. Atlas, axis. Option C. 32 is option C. 33. The phloem parenchyma is sometimes used for 33 as food storage. Option A. And it is also for packing, like it also serves as a packing tissue. You could also write it down. The phloem parenchyma also serves as a packing tissue. 33. 34. The vertebra here illustrated is 34 is definitely option D, the cervical. You could notice the flattened cervical ribs here. So cervical. 34 is option D. 35. The neural arc is labeled. Suppose C and 9B go up. So 35 is option B. Neural arc here. Option B. 36. During the bending of the arm, the biceps muscles will do what? 36. Contract and the triceps will relax. The bicep muscle contracts and the triceps will relax. 37. A band of connective tissue linking two bones in a joint is called connective tissue linking two bones is called the ligament. 37 is option D. 38. The appendicular skeleton, appendicular talk about your leg and your arm, and the girdles, pelvic girdle, fore and hind limbs. Option A. 38 is option A. 39. Which of the following is not a function of the mammalian skeleton? Your skeleton does not help you to transport anything. Don't confuse this transportation with movement. This transportation here, they are talking about transportation of blood, circulatory system, which we will touch in coming chapters. Right. The function of the skeleton is to protect, support. Next, provide rigidity and for movement. Respiration, because it plays a vital role in breathing, respiration. And the next one, homoporosis. Homoporosis is HAEMOPOIESIS. Homoporosis, which has to do with blood production. 40. The organisms that has hydrostatic skeletons are, let's go check, organisms that have hydrostatic skeletons. Hydrostatic skeleton is an earthworm. 40 is option D. 41. The chitin in exoskeleton of many arthropods is strengthened by calcium compound. 41 is option A. Right. Chitin is a nitrogen-containing polysaccharide closely related to cellulose and usually fortified with calcium salts. Write that down. It provides flexibility and elasticity to the organism. 42. The structure labeled I is II articulate with III to form what kind of joint? Do not forget 42. No failure. Hinge joint. This is the third time they're asking this. Hinge joint. 43. Which of the bones is the radius? This large one is always this large one here, and they call the ulna. The small one, and they call the radius. So the small one is likely to become option D, IV. The scapula and the ischium are part of the 44. They are part of the appendicular skeleton. 44 is option C. 45. The structure above represents. They didn't give us the structure. They didn't give us for 45 and 46 no structure. 47. The bone labeled II are called II. These bones are called lumbar vertebra. 48. The type of joint between adjacent bones in the part labeled II is called what? That's 48, Abi. 48 is option B, sliding joint. sliding or gliding joint. 49. The transition from amphibians to mammals involves the limb becoming arranged to support the weight more effectively, requiring modifications in the 49 in the pectoral and pelvic girdles. Option B. 50. Hydrostatic skeleton is a type of skeleton. Is a type of supporting system found in hydrostatic oligochates like worms. You get 50 now option C. Question actually stop at 56. 51. A unique characteristic of the cervical vertebra is the process of cervical vertebra. 51 is option D, vertebratal canal. 52. A plant parenchymal cell also acts as a supporting tissue when it becomes turgid. They repeated this question now again. 52 is option C. 53. The exoskeleton is found in the exoskeleton. Exoskeleton has to do with your head, your chest region, the skull, the the chest region, etc. 53 is option, let me see, the skull, ribs, vertebratal column, and breastbone. Option A. 54. Two halves of the pelvic girdles are joined together at the 54 at the pubic symphysis. We are stopping at question 56. 55. The main structure of the vertebra that supports and protects the body is the 55 is option D, skeleton. 56. The chitin in exoskeleton of many arthropods is strengthened by calcium compounds. Don't forget there's nitrogen. We said there's nitrogen and there's calcium compounds. So 56 is option B, calcium compounds. If you got into this point, well done. You've done really well. Now, I hope you were able to jot down the points, every point I stated out here clearly. Those points are important because most of the questions from this topic will be repeated along those lines. I would like you to snap the notes you've jotted down and send to me on the WhatsApp group. If you're not part of the WhatsApp group, I'll leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. And if this is your first time watching our video and you like to join our class, also make use of the link in the description box. You reach out to me on WhatsApp. You could enroll for the class if you'd want. We run the class on a daily basis to help you prepare for your exams. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.